In business, it's never how much money you make that matters, but how much of the money you make you keep. While that might be common sense, many businesses still fail. And why is that? And I think because of lack of proper systems, processes, and controls. Okay, business as a whole is a system, but you need to have some systems inside the system to actually manage your money. That's why I've written a book on the topic, Money Management for Business Owners and Entrepreneurs. In there, I cover a number of techniques. If you want a free copy of that book, send me a DM. I'll send you that book right away. Let me give you 3 systems that every business should have. Budgetary control. You set the budget, you track the actuals against the budget, you got a variance, you understand the variances, you remediate, you revise, and you keep going, right? Second system that you should have is the profit first system. You should know the profit in every pound of revenue that you make, and you should put away the profit first. Pay yourself second, also have the money for expenses, and of course have money for taxes. And the third system that you should have is a cash flow forecasting model. Exactly, you should forecast your cash flow for the next 12 or even 18 months. Even though times are unpredictable, you can have something called scenario cash flow planning, etc. So you know exactly how to make decisions based on how the cash flow is going, based on the budget, based on the variances, based on your profitable system. You know exactly how to adjust stuff. That's exactly what I specialize in. I wrapped all these systems into some other systems, and I come up with something called the Profitable Business Blueprint. I would love to share that with you. And all you have to do to get insight into my Profitable Business Blueprint is just click the link below and then watch a webinar, a 30 minutes webinar. At the end of the webinar, you will even get an opportunity to have a free call with me where I can give you some strategies that take your business to the next level. So go ahead now, click the link below and watch the webinar. And I hope to speak to you soon. Bye-bye.